Good morning. Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm Barb with Master Graphics, and today's segment is going to be about the figure 4 from 3D Systems. But more importantly, this is going to be about a part that we printed on the figure 4, and I wanted to show you the speed and what the part looks like. This is something that's very fascinating. I think when you take a look at the speed and the accuracy and dimensional details that you get on this particular technology. So first, I want to show you in our software exactly how we set this up. If you take a look at the Sprocket, this is how I set the Sprocket up on the figure 4 standalone 3D systems. This is printed in a tough black 20 material. We've got about 15 different materials available with the figure 4. This is printed in 30 microns. If you take a look at this, it's about a 4.85, 2.72 by 7.67 inch part. But take a look at the time estimation. Even with the small support structures, which by the way, are removed by simply peeling off, it's only 55 minutes to print this part. I could have doubled and tripled this part, quite frankly, on the build platform, printed multiples of them, and it still would not have been much different in time. But 55 minutes, I think, is very impressive for this particular technology. So now I would just want to show you what the part looked like when I took it off. Take a look at that detail for that sprocket. Again, super detail, a nice technology, and only 55 minutes to print that particular part. So, if you'd like to know more about this technology, please feel free to reach out to me at Master Graphics. Bye for now, and we'll see you next time on the next 2-Minute Tuesday. Have a good day.